Hi, this is Rahman here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about Vagrant. Vagrant it is developed by ASICOP. So basically it will automate virtual machines. It will automate the virtual machine deployment at ease. So Vagrant. So here is a Vagrant definitions. It's an open source software product for building and maintaining portable virtual software deployment environments. Example: VirtualBox, KVM, Hyper-V, Docker containers, VMware, and AWS. So basic machines are automated virtual machines to your environment using you can run it over your local Windows machine. It will work on Mac, Ubuntu, all these OSs, and this is a configuration file which you can able to see vagrant.config to do config. So this is a basic configuration file. This will help you to create a virtual machine in the virtual box. So right now I am going to take virtual box. I'm going to create I'm going to provision the virtual machines in VirtualBox, and you can able to take any one of the Hyper-V hypervisors you need. I'll be teaching you how to deploy an virtual machine using Vagrant file. Okay. Here you can search for the Vagrant cloud, discover Vagrant boxes. So here you can able to you can see list of different images over here, and you can choose any one of the images from here. So this is the one. So I'm going to this particular version of Ubuntu. I'm going to take this one. This is for the virtual box. Here you can able to see. So what are the supported environments? Here we have this for virtual box. So Hyper-V, VirtualBox, VM desktop, VMware desktop. So this is for AWS. So this you can able to see. So I'm going to take which is released 6 days ago. So I'm going to take this particular image. So once you click that one, you can able to see initiate the Vagrant init with that particular image name. So this can be done with these two options. Just search for Vagrant. It will take to the location, your official website of the Vagrant. Click download here. This is the latest version we have. So here 686 Vagrant. So this is the MSI file which I am downloading. Let me bring it to desktop. Okay. So I have the Vagrant file, MSI file downloaded. So let me get into the installation. So you will be popping up the screen like this. This is the installation wizard. So accept the license agreement, give next. So you need to mention the location, go to next, give install. So this is gonna take some time, so just be patient. So meanwhile I'll tell you, so this here I'm going to select the default VirtualBox. So I have already installed the Oracle VM VirtualBox. So just go to search for VirtualBox. Okay, you will be getting an Oracle VirtualBox for the download. So you need to pull for Windows. Okay, download 6.1. So you need to pull it for Windows host. So if you are doing, okay, so this is a brand new installation. Okay, so this is where I'm going to provision my virtual machines using Vagrant file. So this is, so here we have completed the installation of the Vagrant. The setup is completed. Let's finish this one. So here comes with the reboot though to take this get into effect. So let me pass and reboot the machine and come back. The installation has been completed now. So let's open PowerShell, run with an administrator account on your local machine. Okay, here let's navigate to the folder where you need to generate the Vagrant file. Okay, cd. So here is where I'm going to initiate it. So to initialize the, either you can use the Vagrant file using the configuration file, or the command you have here. So initializing the Vagrant environment with this particular base Ubuntu image, with the base image, let's initialize this. Okay, meanwhile I just want to parallelly open the Oracle VirtualBox so that you can able to see what is happening while you're running the image file. Sorry, when you run the initialize the Vagrant file. Okay, just give enter. So initially this will creating an image file over there. Okay, so seems like we have created an Vagrant file over there. Let's do ls. Okay, can you see there is a file which has been created now, Vagrant file. Well, let's navigate to the folder as well. So here you can see the Vagrant file. So let's edit it. Let's see what's in there, the configuration file. So if you open this with the notepad, just see this one, vagrant.config to do config. So these are all commented, so this no need. So here you can see configure vm.box, the base OS which I have taken from here. Okay, basically the box which I have taken, so that I have given here, it's a base machine. So what else can be done from here, and so here are some VM network related configuration you can set, put forwarding. You can configure VM network, the private network, and the IP. If you are planning to give or launch the VM with the particular IP address, you need to uncomment this and you need to add that. That is a file which I have initially shown you. Okay, vagrant.configure2 is the version we are using. So generally version 1 and 2 we have, and we have still backward compatibility. And this config.vm box equal to, this is a particular base image we are going to use, and config.vm in the host name. So FVM, first virtual machine -01, this is the VM I'm going to use for the VM, and config VM network with the showing the particular private network, and the IP address I am using 192.168.56.105 based upon my network. Okay, so this is what it's going to be. Let's delete some here to make it show you better. Okay, then what else I can do? Delete this one. Okay, we can configure that yeah, using the IP address. Okay, here from here I'll copy from this. Okay, so basically I'm deleting everything. Okay, from here. So okay, so here I have taken 192.168.56.105. So based upon your physical network adapter using how you want the which network to be configured, based upon that you can able to provide the IP address. You can basically this works better, and so when you are going to start with, this is the better configuration you can able to do. So save this file. Now let's go to PowerShell and open this parallelly VirtualBox. Okay, so we have edited the Vagrant file. Let's initiate it. So initiate, you can see Vagrant up. This is a command you can do. Sorry, Vagrant up. So let's build the image. So here you can able to see bringing machine default up with the virtual box provider. So here you can able to see the new VM is getting created, progress 90%, importing base. So basically this is downloading the package from Vagrant site. So Ubuntu slash bionic 64, this is the Ubuntu image we are getting downloaded. So it's setting up everything over here for this virtual machine. You can see the base memory, the processor, everything showing up here. So far it's going good. It will take some time. So username you can able to see Vagrant. You can see mounting shared folder, enabling network interfaces, shell versions, setting host name. Okay, so everything is completed now. So we are in with this one. So let's now we should be able to ping our machine. Let's ping 192.168, sorry, 192.168.56.105, right? So that is what we have given, I remember. Okay, yeah, 56.105 is the IP address we have given for our private IP. So let's ping it. Okay, so we are getting a replay from the here. Okay, so you can able to see the preview, the screen here. It's in the login screen. So basically when you are trying to SSH to this particular machine, so what can you able to either you can do like Vagrant SSH, or you need to provide the particular VM name. So in this case we have only one VM, so we have provision only one VM. So when we do the Vagrant SSH, the file it will automatically goes with that particular it will try to log in with that machine. If you have multiple VMs running on that, based upon that you can need to provide the VM name. For example, if I have provided the name as FVM-01, so that is hyphen FVM hyphen VM01. So this is the VM name I use. I need to try to SSH into it. So right now, so there is no need, just type Vagrant SSH. Okay, so you can able to see basically it doesn't need a login, so it it showing this is the IP address we have provided. So this is the IP address we can able to see here. So users right now we have logged in, and we have mentioned that from FVM-01, yeah. So you can able to see we have logged in with the username. So who am I? Let's see. So we are the Vagrant user. Username is Vagrant, and the current directory we are in Vagrant. Okay, let's go to the root folder. Okay, let's list up. Okay, so you can able to see ls hyphen l. This will list the list of folders we have in the root directory. So from here you can able to see there is a special folder called Vagrant. So you can able to see here, right? So let's navigate to Vagrant. Let's Vagrant. Okay, ls hyphen l. Let's list out that. So we have two files here, Vagrant file and Ubuntu bionic. So this is the log file we have. Right? So this is the hidden file which is generated. Basically it has machine default virtual box and ID related to the Vagrant file. The virtual machines are basically it is related to the virtual machine, which it is so basically it has the inventory of the virtual machines. Okay, so whatever changes you need to do, everything will be reflected here. So you no need to worry about this. No need to check this one. Okay, so let's see. let's create a file, text file. Okay, test01. Okay, let's edit it. I am Vagrant. Okay, let's save this one. Close this one. Now return to the PowerShell. Now type, now again list -l. Can you able to see test01.txt? So this is a shared folder. Basically you can able to share any files or anything between the virtual machine and the physical machine. Let's navigate to that particular file. So let's read what is that file. Can you able to see, which I have said I am Vagrant. So yeah, so that is it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you so much.